Have you ever wanted to order coffee in perfect English? Let's learn how to do it with real-life examples. Ordering coffee in English. Speak naturally.
Hi, I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
That'll be $3.50.
What do these sentences mean? I'd like. It means I want in a polite way. No, that's all. It means I don't need anything else. Anything else? It means do you want more? Try using I'd like next time instead of I want. Sounds more polite. Repeat after me.
Hi, I'd like a coffee, please. Medium, please. No, that's all.
Ordering fancy coffee.
Can I get a caramel latte with oat milk?
Of course. Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
Coming right up.
Use can I get for friendly, natural requests. What would you say? You want a black coffee with no sugar. What do you say?
Hi, I'd like a black coffee, no sugar, please.
Now it's quiz time. What does "that's all" mean? I'm happy. I don't want more. That's expensive. I don't want more. What does "can I get" mean? I'm giving something. I'm asking politely. I'm refusing. I'm asking politely. What's a polite way to say I want? I'd like. Give me. I have. I'd like. What does to go mean? Eat here. Take it home. It's expensive. Take it home. Cultural tip: coffee to go. In many countries like the US, people often take coffee to go. Just say, "Can I have it to go, please?" Let's practice together.
Can I get a caramel latte with oat milk? Iced, please.
You did it! Well done! What's your coffee order? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe Jenny English Academy for more real-life English practice.